Hello children, how are you? Fine? Good. So children, today again we are learning English subject, E for English. So children, now we have completed all small letters, right? And I'm sure that now you know how to write small letters, right? So now we are right here small letter A to Z in order. See here, what is written here? WRITE, right? SMALL, small. LETTER, letter. Write small letter A to Z. So now let's write with me. And how to write? Always speak and write. And we have learned phonic sound of letters. Okay, so now we have to speak phonic sound and write. Write with me. A says A. B says ba. C says ka. D says da. E says a. F says fa. G says ga. H says ha. I says e. J says ja. K says ka. L says la. M says ma. N says na. O says o. P says pa. Q says qua. R says ra. S says sa. T says ta. U says a. V says va. W says va. X says ksha. Y says ya. And Z says za. See children, I have written A to Z small alphabet. See, I have written very nicely with clean and neat handwriting, right? So now you have to also write this small alphabet in this full page 2 times with clear and neat handwriting and with the proper line concept. Okay children, see, I have written with properly in line, so you have to also write properly, okay? And speak and write. And now children, you know the capital alphabet and small alphabet also. So now according to capital and small alphabet, we are going to fill one worksheet. See children, here capital and small alphabet together. Capital A, capital B, small b. Like this, see all alphabet, all letters, capital and small are given together. So now you have to identify which is capital and which is small. So like this, according to this, we are going to fill one worksheet. Let us fill. See here, this is our worksheet, and in this worksheet what we have to do, read here. Now children, you know all the capital and small alphabets, so you have to read all the spellings, okay? M-A-T-C-H, match. T-H-E, the F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G, following, match the following. We have to do matching here. See, this side capital alphabets are given and this side small alphabets are given. So we have to first identify this letter and this capital letter, and this side we have to find the same small letter and we have to match the letter, okay? Let's see first letter which it is. Yes, it is capital letter B. Now let's find this side. Where is small letter B? Is it? No. Is it? Yes, this is small letter B. So we have to match the capital B with small b. I am using the scale. Okay children, you also have to use scale whenever you are matching. Capital B match with small b. Okay. Now our next letter. Which letter it is? Yes, it is capital letter E. Now let's find this side. Where is small letter E? Is it? No. Is it? Yes, this is small letter E. Now let's match the capital E with small e. E says A. I have matched. Now next. Which letter it is? Yes, this is capital letter K. And now let's find this side. Where is small letter K? Is it? No. Is it? Yes. This is capital K, this is small k. Let's match it. Capital K with small k. K says ka. Now this is H. Like these children, you have to now identify this all the letters and the same small letter. You have to find this side and match it. Okay. Now this is your today's homework.